Okay, we're talking about these charts, and I'm only noticing them on Webull, but maybe they're on E-Trade, maybe they're on other ones. I actually haven't noticed on E-Trade. Cryptic, have you seen charts that look like penny stocks on other brokerages other than, I guess, Webull?
No, dude, really didn't want to get recorded.
No, you're you're good. I don't have to put this online, but if you're okay with it, I'll talk to you about it after. Basically
No,
on
because like I just read that on a post. Like I don't know. Like I don't even
okay,
use Webull.
okay,
Like
what charts do you look at?
I use TD
TD
Ameritrade.
Ameritrade. Now,
Thinking
on your TD
smart.
Ameritrade on the SPY on 5-minute candles, what do you see from 12 o'clock on the SPY to, let's say, 2 o'clock, 1400? Because I use TD Ameritrade also. I just don't look at their charts. I only look at Webull charts. I got used to them and I set up my indicators and all that junk. So that's kind of all I look at. But I just noticed these very strange candlesticks, and yeah, it looks like a penny stock. And I've been noticing it on lots of different tickers. Affirm, I noticed it on Tap. Look at Affirm on the hourly chart since this was since from April 29th. Look at this. This is hilarious looking. So what does it look like on TD Ameritrade on the 5-minute on the SPY?
Oh, hold on, pulling it up.
Because the SPY has so much more volume, it's also very strange that this would even be applicable to the SPY.
I'm trying to like compare it to the charts they on that Reddit post, but
Holy shit! The Spy has a moment around like about 11:50 where the in the minute candles where it dropped down to the VWAP and came right back up. Then
Hold on, let me look at
just
minute.
1 minute, yeah, like around 11:50.
Oh, is this today? 5-5. Had that huge green candle at 11 o'clock. You see that?
Let me
I've,
see.
I've been
I'm
noticing
going
these
through
too,
back.
just on Webull, these massive candles next to each other. It looks like a crypto or something. I'm not familiar with trading
I don't.
crypto that much, but I've noticed huge green candles on crypto.
I,
At literally right at
I don't
11
see it
o'clock,
on
there's
Spy.
on a 1 minute, there's a 4:17:37 candle on the SPY.
See, I don't see that on E-Trade.
That's what I'm saying. On Webull, it's maybe giving us a
Yeah.
little peephole into what's going on, but the
yeah, I'm
more
not seeing like that on TD either. I do see a weird gap at like what is it, 11:30?
11, what do you mean a weird gap? On the 5-minute or 1 minute?
The 1 minute.
Yeah, I have a very strange candle at 1:30. Basically open and close the same spot. But on TD, on the 5-minute on the SPY, do you see these like penny stock looking candlesticks? So from like noon till 2 o'clock. Are you seeing that?
Holy, yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
It's I mean
I'll take a screenshot if you want to
on
see.
Webull it's very obvious. So what was your guys's, I mean, Mello, you had some thought. Same with you, Cryptic. You were saying you think it's high frequency trading that they got rid of, or what's happening here? Why is it doing these weird candles?
Yeah, one theory I heard was that uh they were testing turning it off and just letting the market do whatever it was going to do, and then eventually they turned it back on. And
Weird. Do you know when they did that? Did that
I don't know.
post or anything say? I wonder if that's it. That's so strange to think
From
about.
12 to 2.
Yeah, do you see some
No, they're just talking
abnormalities?
about the candles there.
Yeah, on Webull at least from 12 to 2, candlesticks are all very strange. So 12 o'clock is basically no tails on either end and a very tiny little candle. And then go to 12:10, same deal. 12:15, long candle, no wicks. 12:20, no wicks. The smallest candle you can imagine. Skip up to 12:30, no wicks, tiny candle. It's like a penny stock, as if there was like
Yeah.
zero volume on it.
Yeah. Absolutely.
I don't know what's going on, man. This is so crazy. But
I pasted the 5-minute from TD on the chat
okay, let me see if I can find that.
in media.
Okay. So that's TD. So what I'm thinking is it's possible that some brokerages like Webull, where they're not basically screened or sheltered from, you know, mainstream, would maybe have more of an insight to this because. So I see some small, yeah, they have kind of the same deal. It's not as apparent as on my Webull, but they are somewhat very small wicks. I'm not used to looking at these charts, so I'm not sure how it typically looks, but this run up on Webull looks the same. It was a very slow kind of grind up on this or the SPY.
It's kind of crazy because it follows Elliott waves a lot better, which is actually kind of funny because what kind of destroys Elliott waves when you're looking at them is because of algorithmic trading. So I mean, it may very well be that the algo traders were impacted during a certain time or during that time, and that's why you can see those Elliott waves appearing much more visible.
That's it. So you're saying from at least on the SPY from like 417, yeah, it kind of gapped down to 416, then gapped to like kind of VWAP, and kind of just.
Well, I mean, you can even follow like just simple like I have to remember the name of it, but like an uptrend with Elliott waves. So you'll have like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it follows it almost to a T, which is kind of insane because you don't normally see that in the stock market. Now you'll find it here and there, but because of the algo traders, it really kind of disrupts it. It's not as accurate as it would be if you go to look at historical charts from back before algorithm. I can't even say it. Algo trading.
Algorithmic. Yeah. I don't really follow the Elliott waves. I've seen it on different posts and stuff. I try and keep my technical analysis to a minimum.
No, I get it.
And the Elliott wave, Elliott waves seem pretty legit. I haven't dove into them too much, but yeah, this whole candlestick thing that's going off kind of in the whole market is very, very unusual. I'm looking at a firm now from yesterday. It looks a lot like just very low volume, but it's not really, because it's the same amount of volume as it was, you know, previous. Like historically, it's about average. So I don't know. Thank you guys. Sorry I put you on the spot here. I had to make another video about this very strange candlesticks that are going on, and I mean the market, it seems like something's crazy gonna happen, and yeah, I guess we're kind of seeing it here. So anyways, viewers, sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. See you tomorrow. Jimmy will be on the moon. That's what's up. Hope you brought your oxygen tanks. Peace out.